Bro, oh my god, it just turned off on me. Are you serious?
These receivers are normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If any warnings for watches are in effect, or threatening weather is possible, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. Again, this has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and EAS signal. We now return to the regular broadcast cycle. The weather overview for the
Bruh.
and Central Coast.
The 157 literally turned off on me right as the alert happened. Are you serious?
Cool down for